So today's learning intention is we are moving towards division now, where we are looking at sharing amounts equally. So that is the learning intention today. Can I share amounts equally? Now, when we are sharing, we don't want to start giving lots into one group. If, for example, we have two groups and we have 10 sweets, I would give one to one circle, one to another. Because if we're doing that, then we are sharing them equally. Equal means the same. So both of the groups when we are sharing should be the same. Once we've shared that amount, whether it be sweets or counters or anything like that, we look at how many is in each group. How many is in one group, how many is in the other, or however many groups. Are they equal? Okay, and that will help us find the answers.